Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Target haul. I have a lot of things over here to go through, so let's just get started. I ended up buying a poster from IKEA and I needed a picture frame for it, and it was a weird size. It's a 12 by 16, so I ended up getting this 12 by 18 poster. Says poster frame for that little thing I got, or that thing, that poster, picture, whatever you want to call it. So I ended up getting this. It's a 12 by 18, so it'll definitely fit the 12 by 16 picture. I also got something else. Some people might not like it because they might want to try to save these little bugs, but I got this fly swatter here because I cannot stand gnats. Fruit flies, whatever you want to call them, even regular house flies, I hate them, and I don't like them around my food, in my face, or anything, so they will get a smacking. And I like the gray. It's like a matte feeling right here. Alright, moving on to some smell good stuff. A lot of smell good stuff. Most of this stuff is for your house. It's no clothes, no nothing. It's just like all smell good stuff. Cleaning stuff, you know. Things like that. Alright, we have these things here. They're the Febreze Small Spaces air fresheners here. I love these things. They last at least a month. Sometimes I can get a month and a half out of these little things. They're amazing. They are powerful smelling. So they're really good. So I have the peony. I have sea salt. Not sea salt. It's actually sea spray. And I ended up buying another sea spray. That's a new scent that I've never tried, and it smelled good. I'm just going to be throwing things on the floor, and I'll pick them up later. I have lavender. I don't really like lavender smell at all. It gives me a headache, but this did not have that true lavender smell. It almost kind of smelled like a lavender vanilla, so I was okay with it. And that is it for that bag right there. I have another smell good thing. And it is an air freshener for your car. I love these little Febreze car scent things. And this one I've never used. The scent, it's called Ocean. And it smelled good. So let's see how well it smells up my car. I usually get like the Midnight Storm one, I think it is. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Alright, moving on to some cleaning products here. I love the Mayors, however you want to pronounce it, the Clean Day, the multi-purpose cleaning spray. And my favorite scent is peony, and it's really hard to find this, and I found it on clearance for $2.79. So I ended up buying two because I don't want to run out anytime soon. So I have 2 bottles here. I wanted to give this a try. It is a heavy-duty degreaser, but from Method, for your stove, your oven, whatever. I was trying to find like a more natural cleaning product, since I do have animals and I have a bird, so I don't want like strong smelling stuff that can actually harm him. I have my favorite power wash from Dawn, and it is this one. It is the Free and Clear. The Free and Clear kind of smells like pear. It smells amazing. I know they have 2 other scents. One of them is apple. That's really good too. I can't remember what the other scent is called. It's like their original scent or whatever scent. But this one by far is my favorite. So I end up getting 2. You never want to run out. No more in that bag. Alright. Now for some body cleaning, hand cleaning stuff here. I have this Method hand wash here, and it is the scent Yuzu. I guess that's how you pronounce it, is Y-U-Z-U, and I got it also because of the feeling. It's like that NARS packaging, that matte feeling, and this is in like a deep charcoal black, going on the black color side. And of course, I like the scent. I like Method, and I ended up getting 2 of the same ones. This was the best scent out of the 2 that I smelled. I ended up getting some shampoo and conditioner. And I do use herbal essence, but I've never tried this one, the Revitalist Hydrate one, and it's coconut water and jasmine. The smell is amazing. So let's see how this works on my thinning hair. It's also dry hair, so we need some hydration even though it's thinning. And I usually use Olay body wash, the B something, I don't even remember, like the shea butter one or whatever it is. It's the yellow one. But I wanted to give the Dr. Teal's body wash a try, and it is in the scent black elderberry. Can I even talk today? And it has vitamin D and essential oils, so let's see if it moisturizes this body, because I'm a dry girl. Okay, we have that there. That's it for that bag. Next, I ended up repurchasing one of my favorite cotton rounds here from Target, and I ended up getting, yeah, you guessed it, 2 of them. Apparently I really enjoy my pairs. Just a basic thing, cotton rounds. I got these command strip Velcro strips to hang up that poster. I don't like using nails because you can never always hit a stud, and I don't feel like going through the wall and having to reattach things. Needed some bobby pins apparently because I thought this case was really cute, so I ended up getting some bobby pins. I don't know what I needed it for, but good to know I have them now. Got this cute little compact here. So, regular, magnifying. It would be great for applying makeup, whatever. Plucking your eyebrows would be great for the magnifying side, so you can see all those little tiny hairs that you miss. We have here a lip gloss or something or other. I don't know. It caught my eye. It's from L'Oreal. This is a nude color. I liked it. It was called, it is called Be Determined, number 301, right there. Nice little nude, summertime, springtime, need a nude. Checkout gets you all the time. I got the Veggie Straws Sea Salt one and Pirate's Booty. The aged white cheddar. I hear so many people on YouTube talk about this being amazing, and I wanted to give it a try, so we'll see if I like that. I ended up getting over there, you know, that section that is $1, or used to be $1, but now it's like $1, $3, $5, whatever. I ended up getting this leafy vine thing, garland, to go over here on this circle thing. I'm going to loop it around there, and I think that would just spruce it up just a little bit. And then, of course, when exiting Target, I seen something that I needed to have from Starbucks. I don't know. I think their cups look so cute. And I seen this matte black with that soft matte feeling like the NARS packaging. And just has the regular simple, you know, Starbucks logo on it. It has like an emerald green right in here, if you can see. And I just thought it was really cute. You can never have too many cups. So I think that's going to end this video here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you would like to see from me. And as always, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.